Hi, this is Julie Ann Rachelle, Interior Design, and I am sharing with you today a 720 3D 720 rendering of my client's mother-in-law suite that I was asked to design this summer in her basement. And so we're beginning with the tour in the foyer. As you come down the stairs, I designed for there to be a storage space in the foyer. And you can see that there are these hot spots here where you can click on the link and it'll go right to the item that you can purchase. These art pieces happen to be her personal art pieces from her home. And so you click on this item and it'll take you right to where you can purchase that from the store. This is the foyer. And I'll take you now to the open floor plan for the living room, dining, and kitchen. So when you walk in, you'll see the kitchenette, which is a space that she asked for just for making coffee and having a few food items. And then we created a little banquet area that she could have her family join her. And here is the open, she said she absolutely wanted an open floor plan. You can see there's a sitting area over here and the entertainment area. And then off to the right is her crafting area. And on this 720 floor plan, you can look all the way up to the ceiling and see the ceiling tiles we're putting in and all the way to the floor, as well as 360 degrees all the way around. So next I'll take you to see another view of the living space. And here you can see the arrangement for the living area is her love seat here and her sofa, and then 2 accent chairs and a bench that she owned we were going to put in between the two, and then put IKEA bookcases on either side of the TV and a console behind the love seat. And then there's a bathroom over here and her crafts area off to this side. And I'll take you to show you the living room from the opposite end. So again, let's see if this, it's not going to let me click on these in this video, but you can click on all the hotspots to view the item to purchase. And for fun, I put an exercise gym for her cat on the wall, and 2 poofs to rest your legs on. Okay, let's go look at the bathroom now. As she is aging in place, this sink area is one that she can will have space for her to roll up in a wheelchair, or there will be space to roll a walker up to it. So those are considerations I took into mind. And then we also put in this large tub is a walk-in tub for her, and the glass shower. And then we'll go and take another look at the other end of the bathroom. And you can see here her linen closet. Gave her plenty of storage space there. And her, I gave her an elongated toilet, which will make it easier to sit on. And put some tile behind the toilet there, which is the same tile in the kitchenette. So let's hop over to the bedroom, the last space. And if I get cut off, we'll finish in a second video. So